Basically, the Ark of Art is a floating society that gathers initiatives from all around the world. It's a ship supplied with many different rooms for many different needs. There's a recording studio, a painting room, a clay room. There's a room for each creative act that you can think of.
I came on the boat and I just told them, I'm sorry, I'm not a hippie. I'm not an artist, but I still will help, and I'm a mechanic and I can do work with my hands, and they said no problem. So it was wonderful.
Over the years we have learned that it's much more efficient to work project-based, because in that way, when 150 people direct their attention in the same direction, anything is possible.
I found out about the boat in 26. And then in 27 I saw it again on television and I thought, alright, this is it for me, I'm just gonna go there. For me as an artist, there is a huge difference between being critical and saying this is right and this is wrong, and being the guy who makes something that actually makes a change.
Nou, we hebben dus nu sinds een paar dagen hebben we Jamie Oliver aan boord. En het is natuurlijk een ultieme ervaring dat de groente die ik samen met die andere mensen verbouwd heb, dat hij die staat te bereiden.
Over the years, many different leaders have come on board to share and sharpen their vision.
And at some point, the magic is delivered.
在 Art of Ark 船上，我的职责是照顾所有的作家，然后他们写作的收入，在这一年当中会全部给 Art of Ark.
There has been many prototypes over the years, small boats building to bigger and bigger, and next year, 2030, it's there. The ship that will have it all. The windmills, the solar panels, all the different creative rooms, all the laboratories, all the crew members, everyone is ready.